Are you ready to take control of your financial future? But wait, do you ever hear those nagging doubts in your head telling you investing is risky, complicated, or only for the wealthy? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of investing myths, those sneaky beliefs that hold you back from building real wealth. In this video, we'll not only debunk these myths, but also arm you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions that will lead you to a prosperous future. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the most damaging myth of all, and you don't want to miss that. Let's get started. The myth that you need a lot of money to start investing. This is a big misconception. In fact, thanks to technology, you can start investing with as little as $5. Yes, you heard that right. Many apps now allow you to invest spare change. Imagine rounding up your coffee purchases to the nearest dollar and investing that difference. It's like taking a shortcut to wealth without the heavy lifting. Think about it. Would you rather wait until you have thousands saved up or start growing your wealth today? No matter how small, every investment begins with that first dollar. So, are you ready to stop waiting? Because time is the enemy of wealth. Next, let's tackle the fear that investing is too risky. It's easy to understand why you might feel that way when you see headlines about market crashes. But here's the truth. Risk is a part of life, and investing is no different. Did you know that historically, the stock market has returned an average of about 10% annually? Yes, there are ups and downs, but ignoring the market because you fear loss can cost you more in the long run. And let's be real. Keeping your money under your mattress isn't exactly a winning strategy, right? Instead, think of risk as a tool. When managed wisely, it can lead to remarkable rewards. Just like learning to ride a bike, you might fall, but eventually you'll ride into the sunset. Are you ready to hop on? Now, let's discuss the investing is only for the wealthy. This myth perpetuates the cycle of financial inequality. The truth is, anyone can invest. You don't need to be a millionaire to grow your wealth. The most important factor in investing is time. Starting early, even with small amounts, can compound your returns into significant wealth. Remember, the rich don't just save, they invest. So, if you're not investing yet, ask yourself, what are you waiting for? You could be the one to break the cycle and build wealth for generations to come. Here's another common myth. You need to be an expert to start investing. While knowledge is essential, you don't need a finance degree to make smart investment choices. Start with the basics. Understand what stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are. There are countless resources available, from books to online courses, that can help you get started. And trust me, Googling your questions is way easier than learning quantum physics, right? The key is to start learning and get comfortable with the investment landscape. The more you know, the less intimidated you'll feel. Now, for the most damaging myth of all, investing is just a gamble. This mindset is toxic. It implies that investing is purely luck, which can lead to fear and indecision. The truth is, investing is a calculated risk, rooted in research, strategy, and market understanding. Those who treat investing like a game of chance often miss out on the benefits of consistent investing and compounding returns. So, are you going to let fear dictate your financial future, or are you ready to take the reins and become an informed investor? As we wrap up, remember this: debunking these myths is just the first step. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content that empowers you on your financial journey.